Good afternoon, students. Myself, teacher Reshma Chauhan. I'm going to teach you math for the class 6AB. I hope everyone is good at home. So, I will start my lecture. So, before starting my lecture, there are some norms and rules which you have to follow it. Students, you have to be on time. Whatever we are following in the class lab, that same rule you have to follow it. You have to be on time. So this is your math lecture. You have to take your all the material, that means your book, your notebook, pen, pencil, whatever material is required, you have to take with you. Next thing, you have to sit in a proper place where there will be no disturbance of the others. And we have muted you whenever there is a necessary or there is a need, we will unmute you. Is it okay? The student whose web camera is on, please off it. It's a humble request. The student whose web camera is on, please off it. Whenever there is a necessary, then we will tell you to on it. Is it okay, everyone? Those students who have not renamed their name, we have given the format that is name, your full name, your standard, division, and roll number. So those students who have not renamed it, please rename it. Otherwise, we'll put absent from today. See, we are taking attendance also. So it's your duty to rename it. Otherwise, you will be absent from today. Now the things which I am going to explain you. See, students, we have started with our third chapter, that is integers. We have already done 2-3 exercise also, but it was a gap of 15 days. So we will start once again from that chapter, that is chapter number 3, integers. If you are having any queries regarding that, you will write whatever things in the chat box only. And see, students, you will use the word properly. You will write the things. I will clear all the things. And don't use any other words which hurt somebody. So be on time. Take all the material with you. Close your website. Whenever there is a necessary, we will unmute you and we will tell you to go on your website. Okay, so I am going to start my share sharing. In that share sharing, we will start with our third chapter, that is integers. I hope everyone is able to hear me. So write yes if you are able to hear me. Write Y if you are able to hear me. Give a confirmation. Okay. Yeah, that means my voice is audible to everyone. Now I'm closing my web camera to start my screen. Okay, thank you. Thank you, students. So we will start with our third chapter, integers, from starting only. So it will be a revision also for you people, and it will, if somebody has missed that lecture, they will be also getting an idea. Okay, thank you, students. Okay, students, we will start with our third chapter, that is integers. In integers, what we have to learn? We have to learn natural number, whole number, negative number, and integer. This main thing we have to learn from this chapter, the chapter number 3, integers. We have to learn natural number. We have to learn whole number. We have to learn negative number, and the fourth, we have to learn the main point is integers. So this is the chapter where what we have to learn. Now the next one is what? What is natural number? So I know very well you know what is natural number. The number which starts from Natural number, the number which starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so and again all along, that number is called as natural number. Natural number means a number which starts from 1. I have explained you, but it is a revision for everyone, so it will be a very clearance about what are natural numbers. Now, natural number is what? Natural number is a counting number also. Natural number is a counting number and it is innumerable. It cannot be counted. It is innumerable and it is a counting number also. And there are positive and the smallest natural number is 1. What are the positive natural number and smallest natural number is 1? For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it starts from 1. So 1 is whenever the number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, it is called as natural number. Natural number starts from 1. Now next is the set of all natural number together with 0 is called whole number. Now what is whole number? Whole number means it is a set of natural number. Natural number मतलब हमारा number 1 जो है जो start होता है that is natural number. But natural number के साथ जब 0 होता है 0, the number which starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, that is called as whole number. I think you might be clear of natural number and whole number. See the difference of natural number and whole number. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, but whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. Now the next is smallest whole number is 0. 0 is the smallest whole number. These are also innumerable. Now this is also innumerable because we can't count number. It is going and going. So natural number as well as whole number are innumerable. We can't count that number. Now next is what? Natural number I have shown by the diagram also. Natural number is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on and on. And whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope everyone has understood what is natural number and what is whole number. Natural number starts from 1 and whole number starts. Now next is what? Next is integers. The main thing is integer. Integer means what? Integer means a number line which having center 0 and one side all positive number and another side all negative number. Left side is what? Left side is always negative number and right side is always positive number. What is integer? Integer means a group of positive number, negative number, 0 together from a group of integers. Now what is integer? Integer is a group of positive number, negative number and 0 together is form a group of integers. Now these include both positive and negative number. Now here integer include both positive number also and negative number also. You can see the picture also of that integer. Here center is 0 and all the negative number is on left side and all the positive number is on the right side. So here whole number, natural number and integer. Whole number means it starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, the number which starts from 0 is called whole number. The number which starts from 1, 2, 3, it is called as natural number. And both number, that means positive number as well as negative number and in the center 0, that all together is called as integer. I hope you people have understood. Just write yes if you have understood these three concepts, natural number, whole number and integer. Write why if you have understood it, so that I will continue further. Okay. Now we have done with our explanation part. Now we will move to our practice set 4. See, practice set 4 This also we have completed in both the classes in 6A and 6B, but just a revision of that also. This practice set 4, what is the main question? Classify the following number as positive number and negative number. Now positive number, I have explained you that positive matlab is having a sign of plus. The sign of plus is called as positive number, and the sign of negative means minus, is called as negative number. Whenever there is a sign of positive, it is which number? It is positive number. And whenever there is a sign of negative, it is the whenever there is a sign of minus, that means it is a negative number. पॉजिटिव नंबर आपको अलग करना है, क्लासिफाई करना है, एंड यू हैव टू क्लासिफाई द नेगेटिव नंबर आल्सो. So please students, here are some questions. Minus 5 plus 4 minus 2 7 plus 26 minus 49 minus 37 19 minus 25 plus 8 5 minus 4 minus 12 and 27. See, some number doesn't having sign. The number which doesn't having sign, that means it is a positive number. See, numbers which doesn't having sign, कोई number को जब sign नहीं होता है, that is what? That is number only. And the number which are showing the negative sign, minus sign जब दिखाता है, so that is which type of number? That is negative number. See the difference? अगर zero है, zero doesn't having any sign. Listen it, zero doesn't having any sign, so it will show in a positive number. It will show in a positive number. Here, if it is showing negative sign, it is negative number. If it is showing positive sign, it is a positive number. Now you can classify this in a positive number and also in a negative number. I hope you people have understood what is positive number and what is negative number. You will just write down what are the positive number in the chat box and what are the negative number in the chat box, so that I can get a clear confirmation you have understood what is negative number and what is positive number. Till here I understood that I hope you people have understood what is positive number and what is negative number. If it is clear to you, write down yes in the public chat, so that I will continue. Okay, you people have understood what is negative number and what is positive number. See student, it has already done in your workbook or notebook, so that's why I am not giving you the time for doing the things. It has already done to you for 6A also and for 6B also. Whatever part is remaining, from that we will continue in our workbook and notebook. Okay, I hope you people have understood, so we will move to our next point. I'm sharing my screen. Okay, so we have completed with practice. No, we have done with our question number 1, that is practice set 4. Now we will move to further. Now further is question number 2. Question number 2 is what? Given below are the temperature in some cities Write them using the proper sign. Now here you have to use the proper sign. If it is mentioned above, below, I also explain that also. Below means minus. Below means negative. Niche. Niche means that is a negative symbol. So here when below is given over there, you have to write negative sign. And above, if it is mentioned, above means it is a positive sign. So you will mention, you will write in a positive number. So here I will start my first question, that is place temperature, and temperature with proper sign is given. Now here places names are given: Shimla, Leh, Delhi, Nagpur, and the temperature is given. You have to write that temperature by using the proper sign. What you have to do? You have to write the temperature by the proper sign. See students, first one, what is written? 7 degrees C below 0 degrees C. 7 degrees C below 0 degrees C. Below aya, that means it is down. Down means we should use the sign of negative. So my answer should be minus negative 7 degrees C. My answer should be negative 7 degrees C. I hope you people have understood. Below means it is negative. Negative means it should show the sign of minus. Minus is a sign of negative. So we will write negative 7 degrees C. Now second is what? Leh is 12 degrees C below 0 degrees C. 12 degrees C below 0 degrees C. Now once again below came, that means you have to use the sign of negative. So you will write negative 12 degrees C. What you will write? You will write negative 12 degrees C. The next one is Delhi. Delhi is 22 degrees C above 0 degrees C. Sorry. Delhi is 22 degrees C above 0 degrees C. So here above means it is a symbol of plus. वहाँ पे साइन क्या आना चाहिए? Above means ऊपर. So it will show the symbol. It will show the sign of plus sign. Plus or positive 22 degrees C. Positive 22 degrees C. And the last part is Nagpur. Nagpur is how much? 31 degrees C above 0 degrees C. Same here above came, so you have to use which sign? You have to use positive sign. So your answer should be positive 31 degrees C. Your answer should be positive 31 degrees C. I hope you people have understood. So above means positive, below means negative. Only you have to use the sign for writing that temperature. Okay, now we will move to our okay. Now question number 3 is what? There is a statement. Statement is written over there. There you have to write the above, below in a sign symbol, and all the statement you have to write same as it is given. There will be no changes in the statement. Only the number which is with the above or below question, that only you will change, and in above you will write positive sign, and in below you will write negative sign. See student, this also we have completed, just a revision of all the things. Okay beta? Now here write the following example using the proper sign. Here you have to use the proper sign with this example. Now the first question is, a submarine is at a depth of 512 meters below the sea level. A submarine is at a depth of 512. Depth means under, niche. Depth also is downward. So downward it is indicating the sign of negative. Downward it is indicating the sign of negative. So what you have to write? You have to write a submarine is minus negative 512. एक मिनट हाँ बेटा. Okay. Here what you have to write? You have to write a submarine is minus 512 meters from the sea level. Here the statement is not changing. Only the depth means it is minus. So we have to change minus 512. Now the next question, the second one is what? The height of the Mount Everest, the highest peak in the Himalaya is 8,848 meters from the sea level. Now, what is given? The height of the Mount Everest is the highest peak in the Himalaya is 8,848 meters from the sea level. Highest means it is also giving the symbol of plus. That means it is showing the symbol of positive. So in front of 8,848, you have to write, you have to use the sign that is positive sign, and all the questions should be same. I hope you people have understood what you have to write. You have to write the statement same, but in front of that number, you will write positive. Why? Because it is given the highest speed. The highest means it is more. Above means it is, we are using the symbol of positive. Now next is what? See the next one. The kite is flying at a distance of 120 meters from the ground. The kite is flying at a distance of 120 meters from the ground. Here what is given? 120 meters from the ground. Ground से ऊपर उड़ रहा है. ऊपर means also it is indicating the symbol of positive. Just read the question so that you will get an idea of that what is given. So it is positive sign whether you have to take or whether you have to take negative sign. So here the kite is flying at a distance of 120 meters from the ground means above. Above means it is indicating the sign of positive. So you will write positive 120. And all the questions should be same. Now moving to next fourth one is the tunnel is at a depth of 2 meters under the ground. The tunnel is at a depth of 2 meters under the ground. Under the ground means niche. Niche means it is showing the symbol of negative. So here what you will write in front of 2, you will use the symbol of negative 2. I hope from here you people have been clear of above, below, and how to read the statement, and with that help of reading the statement, how you have to write the number, whether positive number or negative number. Positive number is always showing the plus sign. Negative number is always showing the negative sign. Okay. Now from here we have completed that same exercise. Now before starting the new exercise, I would like to explain you the sign. What are the signs for using addition and subtraction? See students, wait a minute. Okay. Now see the first one. The first one is positive. Whenever there is a positive sign side by side, अगर दोनों साथ में positive sign होता है, your answer will also positive. Your answer will be also positive. Plus is equal to plus. Listen, this is very much important while doing the next exercise. So plus, जब plus होता है, so it is also getting answer as plus. Then there is negative. The second one is negative. Negative is always positive. See here, there is mistake over there. Negative is always positive. When there is a negative, minus. Negative is also positive. See the difference when there is same sign. अगर plus होगा तो भी plus, अगर minus होगा तो भी plus. Is it clear? When there is a same sign, plus का आंसर क्या होता है? Plus, and minus answer is also plus. And next third is what? Third is plus minus. Plus minus is equal to minus. Plus minus is equal to minus. And the fourth one is vice versa, that is minus and plus. Plus is also minus. See, you will get a difference. You will just see to it that if there is the same sign, your answer is getting in positive. If there is the same sign, answer is getting in positive. If there is different sign, minus, plus and plus, minus, answer is getting in a minus sign. Let's see how to use the sign while doing the sum. And afterward, when I explain you the things, how to do the sum by taking this sign, you will be getting a clear idea how to use that thing. I hope this you people have understood. Plus plus is equal to plus, minus minus is equal to minus, plus minus is equal to minus, and minus plus is equal to minus. Till here you people have understood. So we will move to our next slide. Okay, now we will move to our next slide. Now we will start with practice test 5. Now before starting practice test 5, I have explained you the following. I have explained you the following sign how you are going to find the answer. Now first sum is very easy. Now from here we will start writing in our workbook, or if you don't have workbook, we will start with our notebook. Okay, the student who doesn't having workbook, they will write down in the notebook, and the student who is having workbook, they will copy down in the workbook only. And whatever thing is homework you will be getting in School Magica app. Whatever will be the homework you will be getting in the School Magica app. Is it clear, everyone? Now see the first sum. It is 8 plus 6. It is very easy. 8 plus 6. The solution is 8 plus 6 means what? 8 plus 6 means 14. So here you will write positive 14. What you will write? 8 plus 6. Count karo 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 we are getting answer as 14. So you will write positive 14. You will write what? You will write positive 14. I hope first time you people have understood. Just copy down. I'm giving you 30 seconds only. It is short sums. Write, copy down it, and we will continue further. Okay. Now I will explain you the sixth number sum. The question I will write and I will explain you here only. See student, the question is -5 plus -2. See the steps, huh? Just see first how you are going to do. -5 plus bracket -2. What you will do? -5 you will write as it is -5. This is the solution. -5 you will write as it is -5. I have explained you the sign. Sign मैंने आपको explain किया था. Minus minus plus plus minus minus plus minus 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 argument here is plus and minus. Plus minus का sign क्या था? Plus minus is minus. So here when you are doing sum, the sign कैसे चेंज हो गया? फर्स्ट साइन नहीं चेंज हुआ. वाई? बिकॉज उसके साथ एक और साइन नहीं है. अगर उसके साथ अगर एक और साइन होता तो इट विल ऑल्सो बी चेंजिंग. बट हियर there is a no changes on the first question, that is -5 will remain as it is. But if प्लस माइनस आजू बाजू में दोनों दिया है प्लस माइनस, तो प्लस माइनस का हमको आंसर क्या था? माइनस. तो प्लस माइनस इज माइनस and 2 as it is you will write. 2 will also not change. Now your next third step is what? Third step will be, see this sign minus minus. Minus minus क्या होता है? प्लस. माइनस माइनस क्या होता है? प्लस. तो 5 plus 2 will become 7. 5 plus 2 क्या होता है? 7. But here which number is bigger? The bigger number is 5. So sign of 5 will be minus. So we have to put in the answer. Answer में हमको देखना है which number is bigger. जो नंबर बड़ा होता है उसका साइन हमको डालना पड़ता है. So we have to write -7. I hope you people have understood. Once again, I will explain you the same term. Minus 5 plus bracket minus 2. Here minus 5 plus bracket minus 2. This is your question. Minus 5 will not change because उसके साथ एक another sign नहीं है. If another sign was there, it must be changing. But here minus 5 we will write as it is. But here is plus minus. Plus minus क्या होता है? Minus. So we will write here minus and 2 we will write as it is, how it is written. Now here minus minus. See minus minus क्या होता है? Plus. तो हमको plus करना है but we have to use sign of the bigger number. We have to add it. हमको plus करना है because minus minus is what? Minus minus is plus. So we have to add 5 plus 2 will become 7. But we have to put sign of minus. Why? Because the bigger number sign we are going to put over here. For example, if it is plus, for example, if it is plus, so what sign will come here? Here will come the positive sign because 5 का सामने कौन सा sign है? 5 के सामने है positive sign. So here will be coming the positive sign. Is it clear, everyone? एक second, huh? Okay. Now here I have completed first part. I will give you some examples so that you will solve and you will write answer in the chat box. I am stopping my share screen. See student, I have stopped my share screening and now I am giving you some example so that you will solve and you will show me the answers whether you are doing right or wrong so that I will get a confirmation that you people have understood that practice set number 5. I'm starting my whiteboard. In that whiteboard, I will write the question and you are going to do the sum. Now, my first question for you is minus 2 plus minus 6. Minus 2 plus minus 6. Giving you 2 minutes, do and show me the answer. Yeah, Pravir Goyal, you have written minus 8. Very good. Yeah, everyone is doing the right term. Very good, everyone. I hope you people have understood that thing. Very good. Everyone has given the right answer. That is minus 8. Thank you. Now my next question, students? Now here my next question. My next question is 3 plus minus 5. 3 plus minus 5. Do that and give me a right answer. Three plus minus 5. My next question. Yeah. Kushagra has given the right answer. I want this question answer, beta. Yes, yes. Sarthak also given the right answer. Sai, Bhageshwar. Yeah, very good, everyone. I hope everyone has understood. Yes, please rename your name, beta. It's Redmi came coming. Tanishka also given the right answer. Darshan Yadav. Omkar, Arnav Ghag. Yeah. I hope everyone has understood the question number one, how to solve the sum when there is an addition. Okay. Okay. Thank you, students. Now we will you continue further. We will start our next topic. So I am stopping my whiteboard and I will start sharing my PPT. Yes, student, if you have understood till here, write yes. What happened, Aksharva Bhujbal? I will explain you once again, huh, beta? Okay. If you have understood till here, write yes, so that further I will explain you. You will be getting clear idea, Atharva Bhujbal. Okay. You are all has understood. Okay. So I will start my screen, my PPT. I will start. Okay. Now next is what? Next we have done with practice set 5, question number 1. Now question number 2. See student, one by one I will explain you. You are getting clear of that thing. Now here are the table. Complete the table given below. Just first just see and afterward we will do the further sum. Now here complete the table given below. First is what? Minute, beta. हाँ. Now our first is what? Positive. Here it is positive and उसके नीचे जो भी number है that is 2, -2, 6, 0 and -4. Here it is what? Plus is the main question. What you have to do? You have to add. If it is given, complete the table given below and the first time it is given as, that means you have to continue with the addition sum. You have to continue with the addition sum. And next is what given, some numbers are given. With the help of that number, you're going to do the sum. By taking that number, you're going to do the sum. Is it clear, everyone? Now here, after plus, it is given -2, 6, 0 and -4. उसके बाद अगर जीरो प्लस के बाद क्या दिया है नंबर, दैट इज 8, 4, -3, -5. Now here what you have to do, एक सेकेंड ना. Now here what you have to do, you have to take first number. First number is what? -2. -2 के साथ हमको add करना है 8. See how you are going to complete the table. You are going to do -2 with 8. So here what is the question? -2 plus 8. So what is will be the answer? Minus plus. Minus plus is minus. Minus plus is minus. So 2 minus 8 will be having 6. But I told you the bigger number symbol or sign you will write. So here the answer is what? +6. What is the answer? Here the answer is what? +6. तो आपको कैसे करना है? ये नंबर 2 के साथ पहला लेना है 8 को, फिर 6 के साथ लेना है 8 को, फिर 0 के साथ लेना है 8 को, and then last you have to take -4 with 8. I hope you people have understanding what you have to do first. You have to start with first -2. -2 के साथ हमको लेना है 8. 8 doesn't having any sign. आगे ही उसका साइन बताया है. So you have to write -2 plus 8. This first one, -2 plus 8. Minus plus will become minus. So 2 minus 8 is what? 2 minus 8 is 6. But what you will put sign? You will put sign of positive. Why? Because 8 is bigger number. Now moving to next. Next what you have to take? 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8, it is very easy. So 6 plus 8 is 14. So you will write positive 14. 6 plus 8 is what? 6 plus 8 is 14. So you will write what you will write? You will write positive 14. I hope you people have understood. Now my next question is 0 plus 8. See, the next one will be 0 plus 8. 0 plus 8 is what? 0 plus 8 is 8 only. 0 plus 8 is what? 0 plus 8 is positive 8. बिकॉज जीरो में हम 8 डालेंगे तो 8 ही होगा और नंबर बड़ा कौन सा है 8 उसका साइन क्या होता है प्लस so we will write positive 8. Now next is what? Negative 4 plus 8. See, negative 4 plus 8. Now here negative and positive will become minus plus will become minus. Minus plus will become minus. So 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8 is what? 4. 4 minus 8 is 4. But the sign what you will take? You will take the sign of positive. What you will take the sign? You will take the sign of positive. I hope this first column you people have understood. What you have to do? First number, first sign and the above number. Second number, first sign and the above number. You have to do that by adding or subtracting. Whatever they are asking. If they are asking minus plus, so minus plus will become minus. नंबर को माइनस करना है बट साइन हमको कौन सा डालना है वॉट एवर इज द बिगर नंबर दैट साइन वी हैव टू पुट. I hope till here you have understood. Now I am going to write the question on the blackboard and you people are solving and showing me the answer through the chat box. The next 4 minus 3 and minus 5, this question I will write in the blackboard and you people are going to solve it and you are going to show me the answer through the chat box. Okay students, I am starting my whiteboard. Okay, now I'm stopping my screen. I'm starting my whiteboard. In that whiteboard, I'm going to write the question and you people have to solve and you have to write the answers in the chat box. And see students, if you're having workbook, you can write on the workbook and if you don't have workbook, you can write in your notebook. Okay. Okay, now I'm writing the question. I'm making the table first and I want a proper answer from your side. One table I will make and one question I will show you. For that you will see the answers over there. See plus sign. Here is what? Here is 4. And my first question. And in this box I will write the answer. My first question is negative 2. Chalo, solve it and give me the answers in the public chat. Okay, Arohi. Solve it and give me the answer in the chat box. Minus 2, then plus 4. What will be the answers by solving it? Yeah, very good. Everyone is solving and giving the answers. Very good, everyone. Yes, yes. I hope everyone has understood. Very, very good. Okay, the final answer is what? Positive. See, I'm writing here the answer. Positive. I'm writing the answer over here. Positive 2. Okay, that means it is right. Now my next question is 6. चलो solve करो ये and write the answer in the public chat. My next question is 6. Solve it and give me a proper answer. Very good. Arnav Ghav, he has given the first answer. Very good. Omkar also given the right answer. Sad, Vedang, Tisha, Ayush. Yeah, very good. You are solving now, beta. Solve in your notebook or workbook and then give me a proper answer. Very good. Soumya Patil, Arya Penkar. Very good. Everyone has given the right answer. The right answer is positive 10. Okay, my next question. Be ready, 0. My next question 0. Very good. Everyone is giving the right answer. Very good. 44, Vedant. Just check it properly. You have type answer 44. Yes, very good. Everyone is given the right answer. That is positive 4. Very good. Now moving to my next question is negative 4. चलो solve करो. Negative 4. Yes, ओमकार. पहले ही solve किया क्या? Very good, Gaurav, Darshan. Everyone has given the right answer. Negative 4. See, negative and positive. Plus minus will become minus only. So 4 minus 4 is what? 4 minus 4 is 0. And it doesn't have any sign. Sign हमको नहीं डालना है. Only 0. Okay, just that means you have clear about this. Now my next question. हाँ, चलो next question करेंगे हम लोग. Now I'm erasing it. Now my next table, same thing, you have to solve it and you have to show me through a chat box. See my next question, it is positive. Here is negative 3. And my question is negative 2. चलो अभी solve करो and give me the proper answer. Negative 2 plus negative 3. Solve it and give me answer. Very good, Ayush, Survey. Yes. Everyone is giving the right answer. Okay. Vedant, Ashton, Gaurav, Lamai, Lavanya, Vignesh. See, some student has not renamed their name. Please rename it. Otherwise, from today you will be putting absent. हाँ? किसका किसका रेडमी है, किसका गैलेक्सी है, तो हमको उनका नाम नहीं समझेगा ना. Svetlana, very good. You have given the right answer. Everyone has given the right answer, and the answer is negative 5. Okay, my next question is 6. Chalo, start solving 6. Very good. All are very fast. Huh? They are doing calculation very fast. Okay, very good. Everyone is giving the right answers. Okay. Now the right answer is positive 3. These students just cross check also, huh? Those who have not done, just cross check. Very good. Plus positive 3. Now my next question is 0. Chalo, start solving. Okay. I'm not audible to everyone. If I'm audible to everyone, write yes. Okay, thank you for your confirmation, huh, beta? Okay, the answer is what? Negative 3. Yeah, very good. Everyone has given the right answer. Now the last one is negative 4. The last one is negative 4. Chalo, give me the answer. Wow, very good, Omkar. Darshan, Vedant, very good. Giving the right answer. Last question also, they are giving the right answer. Others also give me a proper answer. Very good. See the Redmi आया. Redmi is what? Who is Redmi? Let me just rename yourself. Very good. Everyone is giving a right answer. Oh sir, Kasturi, just rename yourself बेटा. आप Redmi पे अगर क्लिक करोगे तो आपको वहां पे ऑप्शन आएगा रीनेम, तो आप आपका नाम रीनेम कर सकते हो. ठीक है बेटा. From tomorrow, rename and come. Okay. Okay, I hope you have given the right answer. That is negative sign. Okay. Negative 7. Okay. Now we have completed our 3 questions. Now the last question, मैं अभी पूरा एक साथ दूंगी and you have to write answer by making comma, comma, comma. कॉमा करके आप पूरा चारों का आंसर मुझे लिख के दोगे. ओके. नाउ माय लास्ट क्वेश्चन आई एम showing you, and after that you will write all the four answer and make a comma and write it. Okay. I am erasing the one. The last question is negative 5. चलो start solving. 1 minute only. All the four answer. हाँ, 1 minute में पूरा चारों सॉल्व करना है और मुझे आंसर्स बताने हैं थ्रू द पब्लिक चैट. वेरी गुड ओमकार. वेरी गुड दर्शन. गौरव. वेरी गुड. वेल डन एवरीवन. कस्तूरी. ऑल द फोर आंसर बेटा. This is 35152. What? I don't know the name of that person, that student. Please, you also rename. Pravi also given all the answers. Sai also given. Hitesh also given. Very well. Well done, everyone. Vignesh, nice. Only one answer you have given. I told all the four answers. Very good, Khushi. Arnav Ghak, Praveer, Borse, why you are smiling? Soumya Patil, Shruti Mane. Very well done, everyone. Everyone has given the.
Everyone has given.
Everyone has given a proper and right answer. Okay, the first answer is what? Negative. I will write here. Gaurav, what happened? Why you are raising your hand? Write in a chat box what happened so that I will solve your query. -7, -1, -5, and -9. See the answers cross check. What happened? Only you have written teacher. Gaurav, you have written only teacher. आगे का बोलो बेटा. Which I have done a mistake, that is +1. Very well. I am just checking that you people are having a concentrate over my teaching or not. You have clear, you have shown me that teacher, one mistake you have done, that means you people are concentrate on the work. Okay. Okay. So we have completed here our practice set 5. Now before moving to next thing, now I will just explain you what is opposite number. See here, wait, I will just first clear my board, and then I am going to teach you what is opposite number. Opposite number means if it is showing in a positive number, you will write that same number in a negative form. And if it is showing in a negative number, you will write that same number in the positive sign. Positive sign. See here, what is that? I will explain you. Now, what is opposite number? If I write +5, +5 का opposite उल्टा क्या होता है? -5. Very easy. Opposite number is what? Opposite number are that number which are showing the same number, but the sign is changing. If it is +5, it will be making as a -5. Now, if I write over here -6, so what will be the answers? Write down. -6 का आंसर क्या होगा? Very good, Tanishka. It will be. Very good, Rutva. Pravir Borse, what happened, beta? It will be +6. It will be +6. Okay. Now my next question is 0. चलो 0 का साइन. Very good. I know. Very good. 0 only we will write. 0 ka answer will be 0 only. The answer of 0 will be 0 only. Very good. So that if I start practice set 6, you are able to write the answers. Now practice set 6 is based on that sums only, opposite number. Now I am showing, now here We will just complete this practice set. After that, we will continue our further thing on our tomorrow's lecture. So tomorrow lecture we will start with practice set question number 2. Is it clear everyone? I'm stopping my I'm sharing my screen. And we will do only practice set 6 question number 1. See, I am showing you the slides and you will write answers in the public chat. All the answer, huh? Don't write only one answer. See your practice set 6. Write the opposite number of the number given below. Chalo, you will write answers in the public chat so that I can see it you are writing correctly or not. I'm giving you 2 minutes for completing this question. All the answer, huh? Not one answer. All the answer. Make comma and write down. Only 2 minutes for writing the answers. Make comma and write the answers. Opposite number. If you have completed, write the answers in the public chat so that I can cross check whether you have done the right answers. All the answer, huh? Not one only. 47 plus 52, negative 33, negative 84, negative 21, positive 16, negative 26 and 80. Okay. So here we have completed with our practice set 6 question number 1.